Welcome, in front of me is an Honor 9X Pro, and today I'll show you how to format the SD card. And to get started, you want to open up Settings, and from here choose Storage, go to your SD card right at the top and select Format. Now it will give you a message that performing this will basically remove all the data from the card. So if there's anything that you would like to keep, then you might want to back it up beforehand, otherwise you'll lose it permanently. But assuming you have already done it or you don't want to, just select Format and Erase, and the process will begin. Now this is going to take only a couple seconds, and as you can see it's already finished. So click on OK and you're completely done. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.